DYOR is a key phrase you hear everywhere, and if you don't know how to DYOR, aka do your own research, then that's why we're here to share 10 crypto tools to conduct thorough and hardcore research on anything crypto and DeFi related. Remember, nothing in this video is financial advice, purely my own opinion and based on my own research. Do not invest in anything you can't afford to lose, and use a burner wallet if you feel more comfortable. Be sure to smash that like and subscribe button, leave a comment if you have any questions whatsoever, and be sure to follow us on Twitter at AltCryptoGens for daily crypto content, and check out our website for frequent guides, project reviews, articles, and everything crypto related. Friends, let's dive straight into the video. Okay, my friends, so what we're going to do is we're going to be going through 10 incredible crypto tools that you can use to conduct thorough, hardcore research on anything crypto and DeFi related, like I said at the beginning of the video. And with these websites, guys, they will help you with all sorts of different activities. Therefore, in this video, I'm going to share 10 random different crypto tools that you can use. However, there are so many more than the 10 that we are going to share in this video. Right now, we are on the altcryptotalk.com website, and although this isn't going to be one of the 10 tools that I'm going to be mentioning in this video, technically it is a tool because it has everything that you need to know about crypto, the crypto news, anything about technical analysis, airdrops, you name it. We have guides, reviews, news, and articles of all kinds when it comes to crypto. However, what we're going to do, my friends, is we're going to share 10 tools in this video, and in the future, if you want to see another part to this video, then we can very well give you another 10 and more crypto tools. And another thing to mention is that we're not going to give you full in-depth tutorials on each and every tool that we're going to be mentioning in this video. Instead, we're just going to show you very briefly what they are, how to use them, and then if you want a full thorough tutorial on each and every one of these tools, then you can let us know in the comment section down below, where we'll make a full video on any one that you mention. But for now, let's start off with the first crypto tool, and that is one of the most important ones out there in my personal opinion, and that is Bubblemaps. Now, Bubblemaps is an incredible tool that you can use to track and trace different cryptocurrencies. For example, Bubblemaps is the first supply auditing tool for DeFi tokens and NFTs. Our unique and colorful bubbles make on-chain data easy to understand, investigate wallets, reveal connections, and see through the noise of blockchain data. Now, in the past, guys, around a year ago, I was actually tracking the Floki token before it got listed on Binance. I found out that Binance had been buying the Floki tokens and had been getting ready for a centralized exchange listing, and we predicted it literally a day before or on the day that it went live or got announced to go live on Binance centralized exchange. And as evidence, here it is, guys. We posted it on the AltCryptoGens page, and here, guys, we break it all down to show you that exactly Binance had over $630,000 worth of Floki tokens just before the Binance centralized exchange listing, and this was all thanks to using the Bubblemaps tool, as well as another tool known as DBank. But basically, guys, what you can do is you can just track any cryptocurrency, whether that's Shiba Inu, and you can just track and trace the bubbles. Basically, if you see huge clusters, for example, this one, which is this pink cluster here, you can see that all these wallets are connected with each other and could very well be the SHIB devs, for example, that own 3% of the entire supply. As you can see on the right-hand side, you can see that Robinhood holds 3.66%, Crypto.com 3.62%, and all of the associated clusters. So, guys, in a nutshell, Shiba Inu looks fairly healthy. You can do this with pretty much any cryptocurrency that is EVM compatible, so feel free to check it out. Therefore, guys, if you do see a big cluster, you want to be very, very cautious, as all of those token holders can dump, as they could be one associated address. Nonetheless, like I said, I'm not going to go into a full depth tutorial on each and every one of these products that we use. However, you can take a look at NFTs and tokens all through Bubbles, making it nice and easy to understand and track and trace wallet addresses. So Bubblemaps is the first tool, and on to the second. We have got Scopescan, and this is an incredible protocol once again that allows us to analyze the entirety of Web3. They've got detailed graphs and charts, and you can exactly sign up for free or use a paid version. It's completely up to you. You can go to the free dashboards and utilize as much free knowledge as possible. Here you can search wallets, tokens, addresses, projects, ENS domains, and so on. On the left hand side, you can take a look at the wallet explorers, top centralized exchange addresses by token. So you got Binance Cold Wallet, Kraken, Binance Peg tokens, Binance 8, Bitfinex, and so on. Top EOA accounts by token. On the left again, Token Explorer, top tokens ranked by market cap. Of course, we have Ethereum, Wrapped ETH, USDT, BNB, and so on. The better your membership, obviously, the more features that you're going to be able to access. You've got Project Explorer, so top projects ranked by active users. As you you can see 1inch, the DEX aggregator, is one of the top protocols within the Ethereum or EVM chains. Then goes Uniswap, Matcha, EtherFi, and so on. So you can conduct some thorough research, see what the popular protocols are, NFTs, tokens. You can even take a look at centralized exchange transparency. Therefore, you can take a look at the inflow and outflow of every single centralized exchange that is listed on here. When it comes to Bybit, Binance, Crypto.com, Deribit, BitGet, as long as it's on here, you can track and trace it. And on the left-hand side, once again, you can check live statistics with either centralized exchange deposits and withdrawals, top gas spenders and consumers, smart money signals, venture capitalists watching, whale watching if you've got a wallet address or token name that you want to check out, entity dashboard, and then an investigation mode where you can do address clustering similar to what it was on Bubblemaps like we showed you earlier. We've also got money flow, token graph holder, and so much more. Guys, Scopescan is an incredible protocol that I definitely recommend checking out. All of these tools are, but this one is an incredible one with so many features, and you can check out everything DeFi related all on Scopescan. Now, as you can see, you can filter it down by network, so we have used the Ethereum network right now to show you, but they have an amazing, incredible amount of chains that you can specifically and individually check out, such as Ethereum, Scroll, BNB Chain, Arbitrum, Polygon, Base, Optimism, Avalanche, Mantle, Linear, ZK Sync, Blast, and Ronin, all of which are EVM chains, and you can do that all through Scopescan. Nonetheless, let's move on to number 3. And this is going to be Artemis. And Artemis is another one of my favorite protocols that I use pretty much every day or almost every week even. However, on the left-hand side, once again, guys, you can explore it however you wish. Down below on the homepage, you can see sector assets. So for example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then the rest such as smart contract platforms, exchange tokens, store of value, meme coins, AI, and then it breaks it down by daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly changes, as well as volatility. And this gives you a nice full breakdown on categories and sectors of the cryptocurrency market. On the left-hand side, once again, if we go down to projects, here you can see the biggest and best projects in the entirety of crypto. It tells you the market cap, the prices, the category that it's in, and then if you click on one individually, you can get a full breakdown of this protocol. On the left hand side, once again, if you go down to sectors, here you can break it down by different sectors. So for example, we've got perpetuals, bridges, DEX, lending, liquid staking, liquid restaking, data availability, deepin, Oracle, guys, you name it, it is all here for the taking. Stable coins, once again, if you want to take a look at stable coins, because that is an important metric to look at, you can do so, and you can filter it down by either all chains, or up the top you can filter it down by specific chains such as Solana or EVM chains. Once again, we've got flows, ecosystem flows, so it enables us to take a look at the inflows and outflows of all the networks. You can filter it down by whichever network you wish, guys. Look how many different networks you can choose from. There's actually so many that you can choose. You can choose the source and destination chain. So source chain is the chain that it came from, and the destination chain is the chain that it arrived into. On the left hand side, another important metric that is very rare to be able to look at is the developer activity. Here you can take a look at different ecosystems that you want to look at. Down below you can see the developer ecosystem activity from Ethereum all the way down to different networks, over 1,000 different networks, guys. This is absolutely insane. I don't know most of these networks, to be honest with you. However, there are obviously so many developers building different things that we can't even imagine. Nonetheless, we've also got chain comparison, guys, where you can compare different chains. So this is what I like to do most, where I compare layer 1s and layer 2s. You can compare them in charts however you wish. Daily active addresses, daily transactions, TVL, DEX trading volume, fees, revenue, price, market cap, and then down below you can just check them out all in all, so you can get it all in one view. This is what I call an absolutely incredible platform where you can conduct thorough research once again, and you can edit it however you please. Nonetheless, my friends, once again, we're going to move on to the next tool. This is Artemis, and I'm going to leave it linked in the description below, as well as the others. But the fourth tool on the list is going to be Token Sniffer, and this is tokensniffer.com. And this is an incredible tool which is absolutely essential before you buy any single altcoin out there or any single cryptocurrency. Although this is not going to be the deciding factor of whether you do or do not buy a token, it will definitely influence your thoughts on whether you will or won't buy it in the first place. And why? Well, let me show you. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use another website for the time being, and that website is going to be DEX Screener. Now, DEX Screener is, of course, you probably know it, it's a famous price tracking website where you can find different cryptocurrencies. And for example, what I want to do is I just want to randomly find a token, whether it be on the Ethereum network. Let's just say it's this Biden X token for an example. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the wallet address. Now most of you, if you're buying meme coins, if you're buying any cryptocurrency, every crypto has a specific contract address, and what you can do is on Token Sniffer you can actually check out whether or not it's got some good or bad things behind the smart contract. So if we check out this token here, we can see that it's got an overall score of 25 out of 100 according to Token Sniffer. This is a native audit score, which is a measure of how well the token meets the criteria for safety. Automated scanners like this one are not always completely accurate. A token with high score may still have hidden malicious code. The score is not advice and should be considered along with other factors. Always do your own research, aka DYOR, and consult multiple sources of information. Results are regenerated every 15 minutes. So you can see that we've got 25 out of 100. Here we can see the score down below and why it is given this 25 out of 100 score. The swap analysis has got all 3 green ticks, buy fee and sell fee is less than 5%, and token is sellable, not a honeypot at this time. Great. However, contract analysis, verified contract source that has got a green tick, but this is where the score starts to drop. Ownership renounced or source does not contain an owner contract. The contract contains ownership functionality and ownership is not renounced, which may allow the creator or current owner to modify contract behavior, for example, disable selling, change fees, or mint new tokens. There can be legitimate reasons for not renouncing ownership. Check with the project team for such information. That is why it got part of its bad score. Moving down, we've also got a green tick here. However, all other holders possess less than 5% of circulating token supply. A wallet contains a substantial amount of tokens which could have a large impact on the token price if sold. So someone out there, guys, owns more than 5% of the Biden X token, therefore could dump on the Biden X community and obviously drop the price significantly. Down below, we've also got liquidity analysis. At least 95% of the liquidity burned or locked for at least 15 days. No. Not enough liquidity is secured for the minimum duration, which could allow for significant amounts to be removed, aka a rug pull. Note, this test only checks well-known lockers and will not accurately represent locked liquidity for some locking vesting contracts. Therefore, that could be wrong, but according to Token Sniffer, it's not. And this is something to keep an eye on, guys. This is a fantastic tool, like I said, and you can do it with any cryptocurrency, actively monitoring 4.86 million tokens and 820,000 scams. Guys, this is a great tool, especially if you're buying degen tokens, such as new meme coins that have just launched. I would personally say that Token Sniffer is a great choice to use. However, the next and 5th tool on this list is going to be Arkham Intel. And guys, this one is absolutely incredible in my opinion. This is a unique protocol with insane features. They've got their own token, they utilize AI technology. And the great thing is you can also customize Arkham to your liking. However, what you can do is you can check out trending token pages, you can search for people, funds, exchanges, and ENS. So for example, let's just say we wanted to check out BlackRock, the leading asset manager in the world. As you can see straight away, we've got BlackRock and we can check out their token holdings. They've got $21.5 billion worth of Bitcoin right here, $78.86 million worth of USDC, $10.4 million worth of ETH. And then this is where you have to be a bit more careful. You don't know whether or not they're actually holding these other tokens or whether or not someone has sent them to their wallet to make it look like they're holding those tokens. So please be very cautious with stuff like that. However, you can do this with anything. Let's just say, for example, we wanted to find Snoop Dogg, which we know he's big in Web3. Bang, we can find him once again, and here's Snoop Dogg's wallet. And although there's not much in here, you can see his portfolio value here, $2,340. This is obviously one of his wallets, probably not his primary one. Probably Mark Cuban will be on here too. I know he's big on crypto. Fantastic. Yep, we can see him here. $6,000 in this wallet. Obviously, he's got another hidden wallet that he's not showing us, but this is one of the available wallets that we can find on Arkham. So guys, this is a popular platform that everyone uses in the world of Web3, in my opinion. This is a great place to check. You can even check Grayscale, another large asset manager specifically for crypto. They own $18 billion worth of Bitcoin, $10 billion worth of ETH, $9 million worth of LivePeer, 3.5 worth of AVAX, $2 million worth of Link. Guys, you can check out their token holdings and they've got more than this. I know that. They own Tau, they own other tokens. So this is a great platform that you can use, and I'm going to send you an invite code for this platform if you want to use it. This is not only just to check wallets and portfolios and so on, but there is so much more that you can check out all on the Arkham platform. But like I said, I'm not going to give a full tutorial on each and every tool in this video, otherwise we'll be here for days. So let me know in the description down below which ones that you want to see in particular. I definitely will be covering more of Arkham Intel in the future, as I think this is a primary tool for you guys to check out, and therefore I'll leave an invite down below. Guys, let's move on to the 6th tool on this list, and this is Wenser with the website wenser.xyz, and this is a platform which enables you to check your airdrops on different networks, different protocols, and although there isn't much to this platform, it is a nice and easy one that you can use to see if you're eligible or could be eligible for new airdrops that are coming out, or even trying to find new airdrops. So for example, I've got a MetaMask wallet, I've got an EVM address obviously, and obviously I've been using the Scroll network in the past. If you haven't watched our airdrop tutorials, then you can check out our airdrop tutorials on Scroll, as well as many others. But let's just say I paste my wallet address, I click check sir. Here you'll be able to check my entire network activity on the Scroll network. As you can see, a reward simulation, it would use the Arbitrum simulation. So if Scroll, for example, uses the same eligibility requirements for an airdrop, then I should hopefully get 4,250 Scroll. This is not going to be accurate, my friends. However, it tells you how much you've deposited into the network, how much volume you've conducted in the network, how many transactions, how many smart contracts you've interacted with. This is a great platform to see how well you're doing on different networks, and could very well give you a rough prediction of how much you'd earn from airdrops. It also allows you to check different airdrops that are available or could be happening. So for example, we've had Layer 0 already. They had a provisional Cybele check, which was cool. We've got ZK Sync, which has already been conducted. Base, Blast, Mode, Tycho, Zora, Aptos, Jumper, D-Bridge, Relay, Hyperlane, Socket, Orbiter, MetaMask, Polygon, ZK, EVM, Sync Swap, Berachain, and Starknet disabled for maintenance. So guys, for each of these you can check out. It's completely up to you, and they do add more networks and protocols all the time, enabling us to find new airdrops and obviously see how good our activity is for those protocols. Nonetheless, they've also got other little features such as updates, which you can check. You can check out a dashboard, you can add your wallets, you can check airdrops. Everything on the Wenser app is designed surrounding the airdrop activity in the world of Web3. So to me, guys, this is a nice, easy, cool protocol to use, especially if you're into airdrops. But nonetheless, that is the Wenser application. Let's move on to the next tool, and that is going to be Breadcrumbs. Now, this is another cool platform to use, guys, and Breadcrumbs is a community-powered blockchain analytics platform, turning blockchain data into information that matters to you. Now with this, guys, you can simply enter an Ethereum address, entity, or transaction hash, and then you can do some investigations. There's over 32,000 users, 330 million labels, 15,000 reports, and across 15 chains. For example, I'm going to use Ondo as my contract address as an example. I'm going to go to Breadcrumbs and I'm going to paste the address. Here I'm going to click search, and we have found the wallet address. If we click investigate, here it does some loading. We can sign up for a free account. It's completely up to us, and we get free address searches per month. We get free node expands per month. We get a monitoring dashboard and monitoring alerts. But here we can see, guys, if we zoom in, we can see Ondo is connected with Bybit, Coinbase. Here we can see a direct route, the inflows and outflows, but we'll have to sign up or sign in to be able to get more details on these infographics and the flowchart. However, this is an absolutely cool feature that we can save, create a new tab, and of course, once again, if you want to create more, you'll have to sign up or sign in. Now, this is a great platform that you can use to do some thorough research. Once again, you can use this alongside Bubblemaps, you can use this alongside Token Sniffer. This will help you to track and trace different tokens and different addresses to see if anything dodgy is going on. If you think you're a crypto detective or you have what it takes, this is probably one of the best tools for you. You've got so many different tools on Breadcrumbs, it's absolutely incredible. Here you can literally start on a fresh page and start on the left hand side, go to drawing mode. Obviously you have to sign up again. You've got other features such as view graph addresses, clone, view hidden addresses, take screenshots, save reports, download, share reports, add new tabs, and whatever. This is all for the DeFi detectives. Now personally, sometimes I do like to become a bit of a detective myself. If I think something dodgy is going on, if I want to simply track a token before it gets listed on a centralized exchange, then my friends, I use Breadcrumbs as one of those tools. However, like I said, I'm going to leave this short and sweet. You can sign up for free on the Breadcrumbs app if you wish. All you have to do is simply either use your Google account or use an email address and you are good to go. Now there are paid features on the app, but what we're going to do is, my friends, we're not going to go into this in depth. We're going to move on to the 8th tool of this video, and that is going to be the crypto fundraising website, which is crypto-fundraising.info. Now this platform is very cool, guys. It allows us to find the newest and upcoming protocols which have been backed by VCs and investors, and on the homepage from the get-go you can see the most recent fundraising fundraising events. As we can see, we've got BitLayer, Network 3, Igloo, Etherfuse, and NPC Labs, all of which have raised $11 million, part of the Bitcoin ecosystem, and it's a layer 2. We've got Network 3, which I mentioned, which has raised $5 million, and an AI layer 2 protocol, invested by IoTex, SNZ, and Waterdrip Capital. On the right hand side, you can see who they're invested with. So for example, NPC Labs has got Pantera Capital, a major venture capitalist, which is in the base ecosystem, focusing on real world assets. This to me could be one I would want to do my research on, and I'll come back to this later. If you scroll down, you can see the top active funds in June. Therefore, these are the biggest VCs of the month of June. That could obviously all change in July. Scrolling down, you can see the last 30 days biggest fundraising rounds once again, who the investors were, and so on. But what I like to do is, if you go to VC Deal Flow, here you can filter it all down how you wish. So you can do round type, you can do round date, you can do round size. So if you want to find ones that have got over $10 million, then you just click apply, come back over here. And then as you can see, we've got BitLayer, Igloo, MPC, Allium, Chainbase, Tabby, and so on. You can literally filter it from top to bottom, completely up to you. We've got Figure, which has obviously been conducted, FTX, which has been conducted. They raised $900 million, and we all know about FTX. $725 million for Forte, all done. Here, guys, you can see everything from Revolut to all different protocols. There's 137 different pages here. This is absolutely awesome. You can do thorough research once again, find new protocols. You can track different VCs. For example, we've got Coinbase here, which we can just check out. 303 invested projects. They are the largest investor within crypto. You can check out their projects that they've invested in and are investing in the future. This is a popular protocol that I love to use, my friends, especially if you're looking for new and upcoming crypto gems or even potential airdrops. And there are other features such as news on their website, which you can give a read, and it's absolutely wicked, giving you an update on the new fundraising events that are taking place. However, once again, we're going to move on to the 9th tool of this video, and that is going to be L2Beat, which is l2beat.com. And this is a website that is dedicated to Ethereum layer 2 networks, which is an extremely relevant and important narrative to keep an eye on, in my personal opinion. Now, as we know, guys, we've seen an incredible amount of new layer 2 spawn, such as Base, Blast, Scroll, Linear, you name it. However, we've got so many big ones. We've got Arbitrum, Base, OP Mainnet, Blast, Mantle, Scroll, Linear, ZK Sync, Starknet, Manta Pacific, all of these different layer 2s here, which you can check out each one by one. And personally, guys, I think this is very important to do. I think it's incredible that they have it all in one place, that we don't need to go checking out every single layer 2 website for their statistics. Here we can find everything that we need to know about every layer 2 network out there. For example, we've got Arbitrum 1. Here we can check out their entire portfolio and treasury. Absolutely awesome. If you go back and you scroll down, once again, you can take a look at the entire summary of the Arbitrum 1 network. So from TVL, how much it's grown since the last year, or max. Absolutely amazing. Down below, you can check out the activity in the last year, or max, last 30 days, 90 days, or 180 days. Yes, guys, we are still on the rise with activity, and that's what we want to see. On-chain costs, milestones, absolutely awesome. Risk summary, risk analysis. Guys, this is absolutely wicked. If you're looking for a full breakdown on every single layer 2 network, this is the place for you. It's not just layer 2s, guys, but we've also got layer 3s. Now, if you don't know about layer 3s, they are very new, and although they're not popular right now, they probably will be in the near future. We've got ZK Link Nova, Sanko, DGen Chain, Xi, Proof of Play, Rary Chain, Hook, Molten, and so on. And again, you can do your upcoming research. You can check out upcoming projects, which are basically new layer 2 networks that are coming out. As we can see, Kanto, Aleph Zero, Debank Chain, Eternity. This is a good place to find some new airdrop opportunities and new networks to start exploring. On the left hand side, you can check out Value Locked. You can filter it all down by. You can even filter it down by risk analysis, costs. You can even check out bridges. So for example, the top bridges out there, as a lot of us are obviously bridging to and from different layer 2 networks to either qualify for airdrops or even just explore different ecosystems. Here, guys, you can check out all the popular bridges either by TVL, project share, and so on. This is a great place to obviously conduct some more research on bridges and the inflows and outflows from different networks. Now, in my opinion, guys, L2Beat is an essential, especially for those in the world of DeFi. If you're using layer 2 networks all the time, then this is a great platform to use on a regular basis. And of course, if you're trying to find new layer 2 networks to start farming for different airdrops, then this is a great place to start. However, let's move on to the last and final tool of this video, the last research tool that we're going to share with you, unless you want a part 2 of this video, and that is going to be IntoTheBlock with its website app.intotheblock.com. Now here guys, it is another cool website where you can check out the entire crypto market, ranging from cryptos to largest market cap or prices or transactional volume. Here guys, it is a full in-depth version of CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. As you can see, we've got daily active addresses as well, hodlers balance, exchange net flows, Telegram sentiment. There are so many more cool metrics that you can check out all on this website. Even things such as DeFi TVL, NFTs volume, stablecoin flows and supply. If you go up to the top, you can check out perspectives. You can check out stablecoin insights, L1 comparison, major token unlocks, restaking ecosystems. This is a cool place to start conducting research. If you go up to DeFi, you can check out everything from the overall DeFi networks. But again, with most of these platforms, guys, you're going to have to create an account, some of which are free and some of which are going to be paid. But basically guys, this platform is great for doing your own thorough research. There is a lot that you can use and there's a lot that requires logging in, some of which you can check out for free. So for example, price predictions beta. Here you can start predicting and start earning points on the platform. If you think Bitcoin's going to go up or down, then you can simply vote and bet up or down and start earning 10 basis points, 20 basis points and so on. But guys, like I said, if you want to use this platform, there is a variety of different plans that you can use. If you're looking to use it for free, which most of us do, then you will unlock crypto analytics, DeFi and NFT insights and limited data recency, basically up to 14 days. And then if you use the advanced plan for up to $15 a month or the pro plan for $25 a month, you can get access to so much more, and you can even get a 7-day free trial to the pro plan. Now friends, that is basically it for this video. We've given you 10 different research tools. Yes, there are so much more, and yes, we can provide you with so much more, but that is up to you to decide if you want us to share more research tools, as we personally believe that having all of these research tools can upgrade your game, and potentially you could find the next 100x crypto gem just by doing this research, and you can even avoid so many rug pulls just by having these tools. Now, I'm not saying by any means necessary that by having these tools or by using them, you are completely in the safety zone. Nope, the world of Web3 and DeFi is very dangerous, just like the real world, guys. So you have to be very cautious and be very careful with what you click, what you do, what you invest in. You have to be very cautious. I am not a financial advisor and I do not give any financial advice. This is all my own opinion and all my own research and 10 popular tools that I use on a daily basis or weekly basis. If you're looking for other content, my friends, then we have so much other YouTube content on our YouTube channel which you can check out, ranging from tutorials to market updates to airdrop guides. Everything is on here, my friends, all for you to check out. And my friends, we appreciate you all so much. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button because it really shows support on our channel. And friends, we can't wait to see you in the next video, and we currently have a promotion running on Bybit, the best centralized exchange platform for buying, trading and earning. Bybit is home to all your favorite cryptocurrencies, and you can claim up to $4,380 just by signing up using the link in the description below. It's simple. If you need help finding the right crypto gems, then follow us on Twitter at altcryptogems and head over to our website to get your hands on detailed project reviews, crypto guides and more. Thank you very much for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful and informative. Until next time, DGens.